In this video I will tell you how to use vitamin C serum for skin and what is the purpose of it. Okay, let's get started. The benefits of a vitamin C serum. Vitamin C is essential for many cellular and skin functions, according to Dr. McGovern, including collagen synthesis, maintaining skin strength and integrity, wound healing and free radical and UV protection. Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant that is naturally and normally found in the skin in high concentrations, she explains. As an antioxidant, it oxidizes, neutralizes free radicals in the skin. Free radicals, which are formed from things like the sun, pollution, stress and smoking, damage the DNA of the cell, which can lead to premature aging and skin cancer. Vitamin C also boosts collagen production and reverses cell damage, which helps keep the skin firmer and younger, and even helps fade and prevent brown spots and pigmentation. How to choose the best vitamin C serum. As essential as vitamin C is to your skincare diet, not all vitamin C serums are created equal. According to Dr. McGovern, there are 4 main factors you need to consider when looking for a vitamin C serum. Form of vitamin C. Vitamin C comes in different forms: L-ascorbic acid, tetrahexyldecyl ascorbate, ascorbyl palmitate and sodium ascorbyl phosphate, among others, but not all of them are equal in terms of stability and absorption rate. As with all active ingredients in skincare and critical with vitamin C, it is essential that it is well formulated and has good bioavailability and penetration, explains Dr. McGovern. In other words, it is able to get to where it needs to go and do what it's supposed to do. Most serums on the market contain vitamin C in the form of L-ascorbic acid, but some experts prefer the ester form, called tetrahexyldecyl ascorbate, which they believe can be more effective. If you want to buy this now, you can buy it from Amazon, the link given in the description below. If you like this video, like it and share it with friends also, and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so that you can never miss our updates. Thanks for watching.